We are about to learn parts of the body. So let's start. Igbo English. The first one here is isi, means head. Say it, class. Isi, head. Head means what? Isi in Igbo. Remember, head is different from hair. Hair bụ ntutu isi. Hair bụ ntutu isi. Isi bụ isi, okpokoro isi, ya bụ head. So some people are misquoting it, think that hair ntutu is head. No, ntutu is hair in English. Mana isi, okpokoro isi, ya okpokoro isi, the skull. Aka, hand. Aka means hand. Class, show me your hand. This is my hand. And show me your hand. This is my hand, auntie. Well done. Let's continue. Nti, ear. Nti means ear in English. Class, all stand up. Show me your ear. Auntie, this is my ear. Again, this is my ear. Onu, mouth. Onu means what? Mouth in English. Class, all stand up. Show me your mouth. Some say that this is my mouth. Here is your lips, not mouth. This is your mouth. Point to your mouth, class. This is my mouth. Okay? Open your mouth. Ha. And not your lips. Here is your lips. And here is your mouth. Okay? So you call mouth onu in Igbo. Number 5. Dash means esophagus. Say it again, class. Dash means esophagus. Write the meaning of esophagus in Igbo language. Dash means liver. Write the meaning of liver in Igbo language. Number 7. Dash means thigh. Write the meaning of thigh in Igbo language. Remember, all of them are parts of the body. Ikiri ukwu, so. Ikiri ukwu means so. Ikiri ukwu. Look at your leg like this. Then, under your leg, you call it ikiri ukwu in Igbo Izugbe. But some dialects in Igbo call it ichirikuku. That is under your leg. After that you used to bounce on the ground. You call it ichirikuku. Ichirikuku according to some Igbo dialects. But in Igbo Izugbe you call it ikiriuku, the sole of your feet. So ikiriuku means sole. Number 9. Dash means knee. Dash means knee. Mkpịsị ụkwụ, toe. Mkpịsị ụkwụ, toe. So all these are some parts of the body and many others. So learn them and fill the gaps.